quite a bit of updating to do today. We've got the sun, weather, eye candy, cosmology, recurrent nova, and more. The story of the sun begins with the departure of the northern active region, which is dropping the X-ray production back a bit today. We still have small pops from the southern sunspot groups, but no additional CMEs. While we wait for the CME arrival at our planet today or tomorrow, a brief geomagnetic storm popped up last night. It happened as a minor coronal hole stream swept past the Earth. You see top left, yellow density hump followed by a rise in the purple plasma speed, minor stream, minor storm. Seismicity jumped back into gear yesterday as well with a 6.5 in Tonga at 300 kilometers down. That's a strong blot echo. Up first in the links today is a new animation NASA made for Earth Day showing the interconnectedness and observational capacity that marry to form our understanding of the natural world. Many of the pieces of the animation, which I've sped up considerably here, will be familiar to regular observers, but regular observers know the compilation and dot connecting matters as much as any single discovery. It's a bit of Godspeed to LSU on this one. A new supercomputer simulation of colliding stars is two things. First, it is a concoction of smart math and science by a relatively ingenious group of people. But second, it is as hopelessly insufficient as every other simulation that doesn't quite get all the inputs correct. For example, building on last October's long-awaited call from nature that it was just about time to abandon WIMPs, the muon magnetism story came earlier this year, and folks, this article describes some of those major issues that crop up from having bad inputs rule your model. By the way, in the star category, it turns out that they have a long way to go on these as well. Half of what facts are delivered about stars, and therefore much of the guesses about dynamics, are a fiction of math and the guesses that came before. Spin correction here, one down, about 35 guesses to go. Shifting to a happier thought, most observers seem to like the idea that life could exist today beneath the surface of Mars. It turns out the astrobiologists are liking that idea as well, heading to the top astrobiology publication on Earth.